Guys, I am ashamed to even look at some people out there who's circulating just unwanted forwards. Come on, man, he's gone. We don't know what went through his mind or what was going through his life. Let's just stop all this. Let's just pray for his soul to rest in peace, and let's have some respect for his soul. Come on, guys, girls out there and boys out there. And always remember, it's very easy to circulate stuff and make it look so good and all that. I don't want to even do that. I just want to say one thing. As long as we have everything, we don't give up. And please, guys, for God's sake, your dream will come true. The universe will make it true. Don't ever give up. Your parents are there, your friends are there. Talk to them. I have gone through tough phase. You have gone through tough phase. Everybody goes through that. Have faith in yourself. Don't just enough is said. A lot of people are saying a lot of things, and I just want to say, don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give up. You got to believe that you can achieve greatness. We are all born from greatness. Someone somewhere is there who's going to stand by you. If nobody, I will stand by you. My family will stand by you. My friends will stand by you. The whole world is there out there. Please don't give up, guys. Girls and boys out there, believe in your dreams and just keep going strong. Believe in that superpower. Almighty. Everybody goes through that. I have gone through it. Don't give up. Please. You can't give up. Every breath you take, you're responsible. It's a miracle, guys. Every heartbeat is a miracle. You can't give up. God bless. Please stay strong. Please stay strong. Please stay strong. Love you all. Hope the message is very clear. As long as we breathe, we don't give up. Friends out there, my family out there, whoever is watching this, I just want to say, I'm there always with you and your family. Lots of respect and lots of love to you. Whoever stood by me, I'm so grateful. I will always be grateful to you all. Thank you very much. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to make sure I take every breath with a purpose. Please, guys, you do that. Boys and girls out there, you can achieve greatness. You will. And I'm sure that a lot of people out there are already greats, already achieved a lot of things. That doesn't stop you. You just got to keep believing in your dreams, make different goals and achieve it. You can and you will. Love you all. Lots and lots of respect to every individual out there and the whole family out there. Stay together, guys. Stay strong.